about ways to make you mine. Followed your Instagram, so I know you got time. See, you've been working, putting in overtime. I'm not trying to press you, but girl, you stay on my mind. Just being honest, I really want you, yeah. Talk to my conscience, no other options, yeah. Don't need no one to put you on. You got something special, boo. So special, babe. So I put my focus on you. Look, I put my focus on you, yeah. Hoping I get to know you, yeah. Don't want part, want the whole you, yeah. I'll keep up with everything. Birthdays, anniversaries. Notice whenever you mad. When you start slacking, I get on your ass, yeah. I love how you do that, boo. See how you curve them niggas in your comments. If they get wrong, you can pop off too, yeah. Tunnel vision, I'll travel the distance, yeah. Girl, I'm incomplete, but you're the piece I'm missing. Oh,